Now we have to start V build pulley, so we have to select revolve protrusion, this one plane. Okay, so first we have to draw a line. Okay, draw a line vertical. Okay, now horizontal line. Okay, and now it's some angle. Okay, now vertical, horizontal, now should also it's some angle. Okay, and now again horizontal, vertical, line at some angle. Okay, again vertical, again line at some angle, and okay. Now what we should to do, skip. Now we should to mirror, we should to go mirror, command mirror. Okay, mirror this sketch about this line. Okay, skip. Now we should use connect command, connect this line to this one, or we should to trim this line and this line. Okay, also this line and this line. Okay, now we should to connect with new line. Okay, so connect this one to this one. Okay, and from this one to this one. Okay, now we should use connect command, connect this one to this one. Okay, okay, I think this is connect. Now take a line, you should take a line here. Okay, now go to revolve, axis of revolution should be this, and now we should to return, and return at 360. Okay, so this is our required, we will fully finish. Okay, now we have to cut some entity, so cut out command, cut out, and select this plane. Okay, so we should to draw a circle. Okay, another circle. Okay, now draw a horizontal line one, and a vertical line. Okay, use trim entities, this one, and now we have to use some fillet. Okay, so fillet, we should to use some fillet. Okay, fillet this one. Okay, also this one and this one. Okay, this one also. Okay, select. Okay, now we should to mirror this one. Okay, we should to mirror about this line, and this line. Okay, now return, and it should to be through all. Okay, it should to be through all. Okay, finish, you can see it. Okay, so this is what required, we build fully. Okay, thank you.